Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is a bit of a different one actually because I'm not a Reiki practitioner and I don't understand the symbology, but for some reason I felt compelled to add this to the list. So we have got a couple of decks in, or a couple of copies of this deck. It's brand new to the marketplace, and I thought actually, I don't know why actually, because as I say, I'm not a Reiki practitioner. And not many of our tarot readers are, but sometimes you may be. So I'm just going to show you the deck. I would love to be able to give you more information, but I don't. So there's a very comprehensive guidebook here. Goes through the deck. How many cards there are? So it goes through all of it. Introduction to what the deck is about. And if this is something that has interested you, we'll go through the cards in a minute. It'll either call to you, or it won't. So you've got a very comprehensive book that goes with it. I'll pop that to one side for now. And these are the cards. Now you can see that we've got at the bottom, you've got the keywords. So you've got the relevant terminology or the name of the card. And then these are in different colours. So this is like an indigo blue. And then you've got, yeah, so 4 different types. So let's have a look at them. And I'll read a little bit more about them. They remind me very much of the Empath's Oracle. I guess it's possibly a very similar energy, isn't it? So anyway, as I say, I have actually got a couple of copies of this in. I haven't got very many. I've just bought 2 in. I felt compelled. So I guess somebody out there is going to say, I'm glad that you did that. Obviously, I know Saint Germain. So these are the archangels then, aren't they? Okay. And then the emotional. This would be very good with a journal. Oh, just for today, do not anger. I'm going to take the book out and have another little look. So colourful, aren't they? Right, so those are the cards. Let me see if I can... Oh, I should say, sorry, it's by Brett Bevell with the artwork by Ben Schikowitz. Right, so what does it say on the back? That's usually the greatest guide, isn't it? Give you a summary if I can separate it. Right. This beautiful deck is empowered with the sacred power of the Reiki Divine Life Force energy. Each of the 44 cards presents a specific vibration in alignment with the visual expression of the card. The cards can be effectively used to access the potent healing light of Reiki for personal transformation. The divine energetic presence in this interactive deck enables the reader to request specific types of healing responses. The deck is divided into 4 colour suits, each card linked to a specific Reiki symbol, divine avatar, Reiki meditation or mode of treatment, bringing wisdom and spiritual healing to the beholder. The 108-page guidebook teaches the reader how to access and utilise the deck's healing power. So as I said, it's beautiful. Very beautiful. Archangel Metatron. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for your time. And I hope you've enjoyed looking at the deck. Bye-bye.